are going to discuss about the arrow functions in ES6 ECMAScript 6 law and why these are required. Okay, how it will be, what is the difference between the regular JavaScript function calling and this arrow functions, and we will see what are the differences and what is the uses. Okay, open JS-5. Here we will say the regular function is folder. Here we have this. We want to log something. How do we call this one? Simply say, we'll see the output now. Now click on the run, it will display folder. Okay, what it is showing? It's an folder. Now we will declare how we declare array function, like declare it as a constant function name and equals to braces, this is arrow. Okay, arrow symbol, and we are saying something like console.log by calling this arrow.function. Clear the console, run it, it will say folder and arrow function. Now we will see that some differences, like I want to pass two variables. Okay, num1 comma number2. I want to return something. Okay, here I will return num1 plus number2. So we will see what it going to log. Okay, console dot log. These are some basics only, but we just rewind because some people may not be cover all these things, don't remember, or we just recalling these things. Okay, clear the console and we'll run it. So here it is showing because we have to pass some values 10 comma 20. Okay, clear again, run it. See, it's 30. Okay, by default it returning and the same we are passing here. So here also same number 1 and number 2. So here I will say write number 1 plus number 2. Now we will see what it will. What it will. Console.log half, and here also we will pass the 20 comma 30. We will see it now. Here also we just have to return same, right? Right, clear the console, run it. You see 30 and 50. There is no much difference we see. So the benefit of arrow functions is to reduce the code. We have to reduce the code. The main aim of React.js is to reduce the code so that the file size will be less and the functionality will be very faster. So what we have to do is remove this, and here comes remove return. Let's see what it will do. We are not returning anything here. Okay, clear this and run it. The functionality works as expected. So you no need to call it as a return. Okay. And if you have only one parameter, right? So here you want to return the whatever the value you are calling directly. And the beauty of the array functions is you just need not to mention anything here. Let's see what it will do. Here you don't need to give this braces. Here we can directly pass your parameter. If you have only one parameter, you can write a function like this. So now clear it, run it, you'll see the same thing we have here. So the beauty of array functions is if you are not giving any curly braces, so it will be by default it will return. Okay, it will by default return. You don't need to write here return. Okay, and if you have only one parameters in the braces, you don't need to pass it because directly it will take. So this is from arrow functions in the ECMAScript or whatever we say JavaScript. So mostly we are using these functions in the our upcoming videos and whatever the React.js. So this is very important because arrow functions to make it in a single line of code. Okay guys, in the next videos we will see what is the classes, how do we create an object for these, and how do we use the inheritance, some basics in the JavaScript library only.